Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again with another great amazing tech video. The video today is all about the Porodo smartwatch. As some of you guys don't know, Porodo right now they're producing smartwatches. Enough of me talking, let's get started. Yeah, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, what I have is a Porodo Vortex smartwatch. Now this kind of smartwatch looks big on the box just by the picture of the size, and we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed throughout this kind of bad boy. What's so special, what's so goody? So guys, here we have it. This is our watch. We're gonna just peel out here so as we can just unbox it and see what's packed inside, because I'm really pumped to see this kind of watch throughout Porodo, what they were working on, and it's really kind of great. I like the packaging, it's not bad, it's a really kind of good one. Whoa, that's good. This is magnetic box, impressive. I like that. That's a good move. And we're gonna just keep the I like the way they kept everything. It's just steady, to be honest. I'm gonna just get started on removing the watch first. So this is the watch. Wow, looks good, man. Looks really good. I like the material, it's looking awesome. I'm gonna keep it aside first. So what's in here, what's packed inside this kind of box, because a lot of you guys might be saying what's happening in here. So let's see what's inside here. I think it's just the charge and some few paperwork. So this is the paperwork of the Porodo Vortex. You can see the manual there and how you can configure and bunch of stuffs. So yeah, and another kind of stuff. What's next? Well, as some of you guys know, it's a magnetic charger. So this goes at the back of the watch and it snaps somewhere. So as you can see here, let me just open the straps so as you can see it physically throughout the glance. So you can see here this kind of pins, and this one, the magnetic, snaps here at the back, and you're good to go. Now as you can see, there's nothing else left on the box. Yeah, so guys, as you can see throughout the watch, this is the navigation of the menu, how it looks like. If you hold it, you can change different types of watch faces. Just swiping the one which you find it best, you just select it. So there are just some kind of few watch faces throughout here. I think on the app it's gonna be giving you much more. I cross my fingers for that. So let's see the navigation drop down. You can see there, navigation drop down looks good. We're having touch. The touch here, you can press it to see it's just lighten up like Android Wear, which is really good. Another kind of stuff, what's this somewhere here? Just turn off your vibration on and down to the brightness. Okay, and this is the controlling of your brightness of the watch, which if you keep it maximum, you can see it's blowing up the screen, but if you keep it just somewhere standard, it's really looking good. Another kind of stuff, this is a power saving. I think this is a power saving, and you can go directly throughout here. This is the setting side. I love the way they kept the settings, really cool, really stable. This is the about section for throughout your watch, the model number, the MAC address, and many more throughout the watch, which is really vibrant. Another kind of stuff, it's the theater. If you want to go through theater, I find it like the Android one, which not one but Android Wear throughout the watches had a little bit features like these ones. Now you can see throughout here we're having alarm, we're having stopwatch, and it's really cool. Now the most interesting part, if you try like swiping left, you can see here today the spots which you have gone. You can see the heart rate and it start doing its own thing, which is really good. You can see here we're having training throughout the workout, and this is the music control. You can control music on the go throughout the watch, which is really cool. Here it's the weather, looks very nice, and that's it. There's nothing else. If you press the button, go back home, you swipe somewhere here, gives you another kind of like a lounge throughout like an Apple Watch or something. And this is the layout. You can just scroll and see what's happening. Whoa man, this is dope. So this is game, or oh, this is steps. Now is this game? Let's see. So you can play games here. Whoa, this looks like a Flappy Bird. Let's see, you can just touch it here and it just went. Ah man, I'm the worst player on this game. So you're supposed to not go far away. You can see it's like you're supposed to not go down, you just tap it. It's Flappy Bird. Same as Flappy Bird. Good. I like that. It's really dope. Here's the setting side. If you want to go to the settings, same as the one we came back. And this one, this is breathe, which is good. This is the music, which you can control, and this is the camera if you want to control the camera and have a shutter, and this is the weather, which is really awesome. And this is the SpO2, which if you want to measure your blood oxygen, I think, which it's really kind of impressive. I think they measured it on the box and it's really kind of impressive. And another kind of stuff you can see here, we are having the temperature measure BP range. I don't know what that means, but I think it's like a temperature or something. But is it possible to measure temperature on the watch? I don't know. Okay, we are having kg here, it's for training, and we are having the heart rate, it's for measuring your heart rate and stuff like that. If you want to measure it, you can just measure your heart rate throughout here, and shows you the status throughout your heart rate, how it's doing, which is really impressive. Here it's like night or sleep, and throughout by the way, I love the menu. It looks very, very dope because it's much better compared to even the Android Wear OS 2. Just let me share with you guys something so as all of you guys can understand what I'm talking about. This is the menu of the Android Wear. This one is the TicWatch. This is the menu throughout the Vortex, throughout Porodo. I'm like loving the menu throughout the Vortex. Looks good. You can say keep the launcher, but I prefer the Vortex. Looks much awesome because sometimes this one lags because I'm using it. Sometimes it lags, sometimes it lags here and there, but it's just I wish it could be having Android Wear and maintain the same scheme of the OS they're having. It would be much perfect throughout this Vortex watch of Porodo. Now let's talk about the material wise, because I kind of love the way they kept it. It looks really stunning. It's not like Oraimo watches. This looks much better, to be honest, and it's responsive and it gives you all the data really, really good. So you can see here the material wise at the back, the sensors of your heart rate and SPO and another kind of stuff. This kind of ring here, you can see through the watch. It's not a rotatable ring, it's just fixed, stays there. And another kind of stuff, this kind of stuff, it can rotate. You can see here, you can adjust, but not actual adjustment. It's just there, like I think, okay, it's there. Another kind of stuff, let's talk about the straps. The straps, they're really good. I give it really a go. I love the straps. They're really looking awesome. Big up Porodo for that. This watch, it's really standing out. I can recommend this rather than having a Oraimo watch. Oraimo cannot beat this watch. This watch of Porodo is 100% much better. I love the display, looks so vividly and sharp. You can see you can even change different watch faces. Let us just change a different watch face so as you can see, guys, what's happening. I just kept this one. It's really cool. Just look at that, really standing out, looking like a classic watch from back in the day screen, which it's really top notch. So the specification of the Porodo Vortex goes as follows. It has a battery capacity of 210 mAh, which stands by up to 25 days. Working time gives you up to 7 days, which is really impressive. Screen, it's 1.3 inch touch, which is really impressive. Bluetooth is version 4.0. Music control and blood pressure and blood oxygen, calls and social notification, which is really impressive. And you can download an app throughout the Google Play Store, which is called the Fit, which you can connect throughout the watch. So what's up, guys, about this kind of watch throughout Porodo? It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of watch, which it's called the Vortex, and it's a rounded watch, which I like about it because I love rounded watches. I don't love the square watches. It's just my perspective. I don't know, I kind of like find the rounded watches remind me of the Moto 360 watches, which is really kind of impressive. So this kind of watch, it's a top-notch watch out there, and it's a budget watch which you can grab it at Gadgetronics if you're living in Arusha. And last but not least, I hope you enjoyed throughout this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Did Porodo make a right move? To me, yes, this is a perfect move, and like it or not, their devices, they're dope. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.